Oh, yung nabusos.
Bye-bye na, Kuya Jacob, and I will leave.
Wow. Wow.
Bye-bye. Ano next number? Search for Ping Pong on YouTube. Bye-bye, Mireya. Want to play together? Bye-bye na. Ate and Kuya Jacob will leave. Agate mo na. Agate mo na. No. Ayaw. Di bati, Mireya. No!
Sneak a ball. Sneak a ball. Sneak a ball.
Bye-bye na. What's ready?
What na?
Hag-ate na, hag-ate. What? What's my name? No, me. Who is me? What's my name, ate? Okay. Ate? Wait.
Oy.
Someone wants to play with Kuya Jacob.
What na? What na? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Wow.
What's this? Wait. This is why you take for Jacob. Why are you crying?
Let's go na.
Yan, karga na naman. Ikot-ikot.
That's so arte, ah.
Careful!
Stop, it's dirty there. Ayan na naman yung acting mo.
Do you want to be an artist? You want to be an artist? I will let you audition. You want to be seen on the TV? Oh no!
Ilaruin yan, ilaruin yan.
You want to be seen on the TV?
No.
Dali lang ang
Sabi ka muna ka.
This is TV. This is Jacob.
You want to be seen on the TV?
What?
This is issue.
Tissue?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is tissue.
Later.
Ano na, baby?
Oh.
Bye-bye na. It's 9:30. We need to go home.
Babay na. Kasi lang.
Now.
Let's fly na.
No, focus ba? Ay,
Ouch. Ouch.
ay,
Nagigigil pa siya eh.
papaluin eh. Diyan tayo?
Now.
Stop lang.
It's a flying!
Ayaw mo.
Bye-bye na, bye-bye!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Ito yung pasok mo. Nalagay dito ng pen. Tama po ba?
Sa ano yun? Sa online? Yung hanggang 12 lang? Online lang. Bye-bye na, baby! Ate, we leave na! Why you?
Ay, Zira. Broken. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Ate will go.
No, don't die!
Let's carga na. Don't karga? Don't karga? You don't want to touch that?
Palo ka daw. No! Ay, man palo or ay
Alam mo
man
na araw
palo
naman,
yun.
alam mo na araw naman nang sinat mo sa akin mga kapatid. Ilang beses ako nag-review.
I will follow you. Oh, bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Tayo ka na. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Alam mo na din.
Bye-bye. Night-night.
Ate!
Bakit nag-back mo? Okay, ako stress. Ano?
Hindi kasi nag-expect ako mag-chachacho. Bye-bye!
Hoy, matatanong sa mata ka.
Bye-bye.
Ilang uwiin ka pa ba? Naku, hindi ka na napapansin.
Ano mo?
Wow! Oh, wala na. Finish na.
Yan pala ang gym ni Kuya Jacob mo. Ikaw ang gym.
I'm tired na. I'm tired.
Kaya ka naman, pagod na kuya dito. Ay, naku. Kuya, ano ka ba? Mga drama ko sa buhay.
Ate Sherman naman.
Mamala pa drama dito. Pamilya ko. Why are you shouting? Stop shouting.
Bye-bye!
Baka sabi ko, stop shouting eh.
Oh, bye-bye na, baby.
You're not listening to mama. Ay, follow your lips, ha?
Bye-bye!
I don't like what?
Bye-bye.
I don't like bye-bye.
Babush!
What do you want?
Oh!
Ashamel!
What do you want?
Ashamel!
Ayaw!
Ashamel!
Bakit tumama ka na sa kanto ng mesa?
Ashamel! Ashamel!
No! Hoy! Si ako.
Kuya Chico!
Hoy! What are you doing?
Ano ko ito, boy?
Help you what?
Boy?
Help you what?
Oy.
Ha? Help you what?
Bye-bye na, bye-bye.
Bye.
More.
What's that?
Joy. I want more.
Ate Sherman.
Ate Shermel has cardigan.
I can.
Ikaw na gawin mo sa gym. Alas mo naman.
Hindi ko kaya, te. Hurry up! Time for school!
Ha?
That was good.
Bye-bye na ikaw, Kuya
Time for
Jacob.
school? You want to go to school na?
Yes!
You don't know how to write your name? How can you go to school?
Hurry up! Time for school!
You should know how to write your name before you go to school. Tamad-tamad ka magsulat eh. Puro ka binababoy mo yung sulat eh.
Hurry up!
Oh.
Hurry up! Time for school!
Lahat na pinapanood yung ginagalan niya. Kaya
Yeah!
pag hindi kayo maintindihan, minsan kasi ibang lingwa may pinapanood yan eh.
Bye-bye na, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mag-ate na. Mag-ate.
Oh, no.
Bye-bye na, ate needs to go home kasi it's raining. Baba. Wala ba bang suspension? Teka lang. Tingnan ko lang ha, baka meron na.
Nah. 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 Hey, that's smart. Oh.
Regine, am I your daddy? Am I your daddy? Where's your daddy? Regine! Hey! I'm talking to you. Where's your daddy? Where's your daddy? Hey, where's your daddy? Mama is asking you, where's your daddy? Huh? Why Jacob is your daddy? You have your daddy, right? Where's your daddy? Wow! Kaya niya na, be?
Uy, masasaban si Kuya Jacob.
Kaya niya na, be? Baka may mali anniversary. Kapag sa'yo.
Bye-bye na. Ate needs to go home because winter rain.
Hindi po, sabi niya po yung pang-mandi.
Baby, hag-ate na. Hag-ate first. Ay, gagalit ate. Gagalit ate. Gagalit, come here. Kiss ate, kiss. I love you. I love you so much. Forever. Oh, bye-bye na. Bye-bye na ka, Kuya Jacob. Say bye-bye to Kuya Jacob. Maiwan ka dito. Uuwi na ako.
Bye-bye.
Iwan Kuya Jacob, Ate Alice. What? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday na naintindihan ko, be.
Ate will leave na, Kuya Jacob will stay. Yeah, water! Wala na bang pasok? Water! Water!
Pero grabe ko lang yun.
Wait na ba yung ulan? Babay na! Kiss ate na! Hey! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye, Lo.
Bye-bye.
Ay!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Alis na kayo dumaan. Magkakaroon pa kayo ng baka, ang dahil na lakad. 70 lang po sa bus. No, 70 pesos pag nakay sa bus. Baka na, binigyan ko pa sa kanya.
Bye-bye, baby. Kisasin na.
Bye-bye.
Mabubuhat ka na ni Kuya
Oh no!
Bye-bye.
One more!
One more.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Oh no!
I can carry you.
Bye-bye!
I got more. I got more.
Oh, last na.
I got more.
Last. Last one na, ha? Oh, bye-bye!
One more, one more. No, it's just enough. One more,
Oh,
one
that's the
last.
na.
Not enough.
That's enough.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, kiss ate na. Kiss ate. Kiss ate. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Wait lang.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Let's go up. Oh. No, ate will go na. Let's go up. We will leave na.
Bye-bye.
Let's go up.
Let's go up.
Yeah.
Why?
Bye-bye na, bye-bye. How about me? Ami.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Okay, napilitan.
Napilitan ka. Isama ko. Let's go up. No, we need to
Next
leave.
time na we will play with Kuya and Ate next time, okay? On Saturday. On Saturday. On Saturday, before you leave with Ate, we will play with Kuya.
Let's go up.
Bye-bye.
Papunta. Ate will go sa Saturday and I will call Kuya Jacob so we will play with you, okay?
You have to leave na eh because it's gabi na na.
Oh, it's raining, oh.
Bye-bye.
Sana wala. If I don't have pasok tomorrow, I will visit you tomorrow. Me! Let's go up together. Oh, okay.
Sensitive.
Oh, okay. Let's go. Bye-bye. Let's go up
Bye.
together. Let's go up.
They're leaving.
How about me? I'm your ate. Let's go up. I'm your ate. Let's go up. Bye. Bye-bye.
Ate, kisan mo natin.
Bye-bye. 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 I can.
May update pa bago ko
I can.
Kita mo naman natin. Pero pakita mo na sir ka lang sa Oo. Okay, come on. Yay!
I know.
Yay! Okay, sumakay na ni Sir Pen. Pagod na. At this time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Kuya Jacob. Say hi.
Bye-bye.
What's that? Is that your baon for me? No, it's toy. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye po.
Ako na sa'yo sinakay mo ba yan? Sina siya, hindi mo ilagay sa rek, masisibay yan.
Bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye. See you when I see you, okay?
Bye.
Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye, Teacher Menu. Bye-bye, Kacheko. Bye-bye. No, bye-bye, Kacheko. No, bye-bye, Kacheko.
Kaya ko na lang anak. Hindi na pwede. Oh,
Yeah.
Baba kasi siya, may nagkakot ko.
Yeah.
Of course, she's not your ate.
Umbrella.
How about mama?
That's an umbrella, Mama.
How about mama? Do you love mama?
Yeah. Ay!
Ito talaga! Hindi lang ka na naman! Napupo ko na bibili. Yung nakipupin. You have monster on your tummy na. What monster on your tummy?
Together.
What monster on your tummy?
No.
If you don't want monster on your tummy, napupupo.
Small one.
Yeah.
No, that's a big one. That's a big one. Mama. Mama. Mama, that was for a big one. Yeah.